Ino-C ascorbic acid vitamin C na 500 milligrams. Ang pinakamura, the cheapest of the cheapest na branded vitamin C na nasa halagang 70 centavos lamang per tablet. Hi everybody, my name is Anthony, and in this video, it is now time to grant your wish by reviewing ascorbic acid vitamin C na Ino-C na brand. So by far, this is really the legit na pinaka-cheapest, the cheapest of the cheapest na branded vitamin C ascorbic acid na nakikita mo talaga sa market. So, what do we mean by market? So, pwede mo siyang mabili sa mga drugstores, pharmacy, botika, sa halagang 70 centavos. Yun ang average. Pero, meron ding 1 peso. Siyempre, yung mga iba may patong, yung iba wala. And, meron din siya sa online, such as Lazada, Shopee, kahit nasaan pang mga online stores out there. So, as in, biruin mo, 100 tablets sa isang box. Tapos ang price niya is nagkakahalaga ng 70 pesos, 70 to 80 pesos per box. So ang isang box is 100 tablets. Kaya naloka ako. Kaya pala ang daming nagsasuggest na to make a review for ascorbic acid na Ino-C. So, for me, as a healthcare frontliner, ayan po, as a healthcare frontliner na nag-duty sa hospital, lalong-lalo na sa mga dirty wards, such as COVID wards, we really need to boost our immune system. So, bilang isang medical frontliner, yung mga ibang kasama ko talaga, nagtitake ng vitamin C twice a day. At yung iba pa talaga, thrice a day. As in, hindi biro talagang mag-duty sa COVID ward, lalong-lalo na kung naka-PPE ka. So, ganyan yung itsura namin. Ganito yung suit namin every time na nag-duty kami. And it is really a serious na matter, very sensitive na issue regarding sa ganitong pandemya because until now, marami pa rin hindi naniniwala sa COVID and marami pa rin ayaw magpabakuna. And 90% of our patients sa hospital ay hindi na vaccine. So, kung ayaw nyo mag-vaccine, please be enlightened na magpa-vaccine na kayo kasi kayo na yung mga last remaining targets ng COVID. So, anyway, back to the main topic. Ascorbic acid vitamin C is really one of the best ways for us to strengthen our immune system, to improve our skin condition, and syempre to enhance vitamin C na component dito sa ating katawan. And bilang isang medical frontliner, I really encourage you to boost your immune system because alam mo yung effect ng pag-take ng vitamin C. For example, kapag 5 times ka sinisipon or tinatangkaso sa isang taon, kapag nagtitake ka talaga ng vitamin C, magkakaroon talaga ng significant improvement sa health mo, such as instead of 5 times a year, magiging 2 or 1 to 2 times a year ka na lang nagtatangkaso or tinatangkaso. So, yes, it is a beneficial na way for us to improve our immune system and hindi tayo madaling mahawa sa COVID-19. And sa next clip, we are going to tignan natin yung parang basic lang na itsura nito. We're going to investigate yung magkakaroon tayo ng visual investigation dito sa ascorbic acid na Ino-C. In this closer view, we can see na halos ayan 1 box each and each box contains 100 tablets. So ito yung ascorbic acid Ino-C 500 mg tablet na vitamin and it is manufactured by Azarias Pharmaceutical Laboratories sa Pandayan, Meycauayan, Bulacan. And makikita natin dito, so kukunin natin itong isang box for us to analyze further. So ano nga ba ang effect ng vitamin C? Ang indication po nito is for the prevention and treatment of vitamin C deficiency to improve our immune system or to strengthen our immune system, and to improve collagen formation sa ating skin dahil ang vitamin C is nakakapag-improve ng elastin components and collagen to make us look younger than our actual age. So, ayan po guys, FDA approved po siya, and sabi dito, keep away from direct heat and sunlight exposure, store at room temperatures not exceeding at 30 degrees Celsius. So, avoid placing this product in windows wherein it is exposed to a direct sunlight. So, ayan guys, and makikita natin dito na ang kanyang manufacture date was last 4. So, April ng 2021, mag-expire po siya the same date, April 4 din, 2023. So, ayan po yan. Yung lot number niya is 2104035. Ayan guys. And now, titignan natin yung laman niya. So, bubuksan natin siya, and yung blister pack niya is like this. So, it looks like this. Maliliit po siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So, maliit na pellet and blister pack. So, ilang blister pack ang isang mat? So, bibilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ayan guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is 20 per blister pack. So, ayan guys, 20, and then 5 ganito to make it 100 pieces. So, ayan guys, 100 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, so, napakamura talaga niya, napakasulit. It contains 100 na tablets divided by 70 pesos. So, ang price nito is parang, if I'm not mistaken, 0.7. So, less than 1 peso in a day. O, diba? Ang mura talaga niya. Once again, we are going to show you yung itsura ng vitamin C na ito. Bubuksan natin ang isang mat. We are going to open one mat. So, it is like this, guys. Yung kanyang itsura. So, ayan. Ascorbic acid, Eno-C, 500 mg per tablet na vitamin C. As you can see over here, so andyan din yung expiration date niya, which is April 2023, lot number niya dito. And then, magbubukas po tayo ng isa. So, ganyan, i-push mo lang dito. So, ayaw niya mag-push. Ayan, bubutasan ko na lang dito. And, tignan natin, how does it look like? What does it look like? Ngayon, it is like this. Maliit lang siya, and tama ba? Ayun. Ganito ang itsura niya. It is orange in color. So, pagbabalik na rin natin, it's like this. So, orange na orange ang color niya. Parang may batik-batik kapag medyo nakatouch siya ng moisture. And, syempre, we are going to have a taste test. Ayun. Matitikman mo yung classical taste niya na maasim. So, that's the classic sign of classic na quality ng isang vitamin C. So, may pagkaasim siya. Similar din sa mga fruit na maasim na rich in vitamin C. So, I have here yung baso. Iinumin natin siya. And, yan. So, nabasa niyo yung tatak ng baso. Ayan. Anyway, you should also drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day because it really helps to i-replenish niya yung katawan mo. Tapos, ipapababa niya yung mga matataas na level ng creatinine sa katawan natin para maging healthy yung kidneys and liver. And for one more time guys, aside from taking vitamin C, I really encourage you to get vaccinated ang daming privilege na magpabakuna. If you're vaccinated, 10%, 20%, 30%, up to 50% discount ang mga pwedeng i-offer sa inyo ng mga establishments, especially if you're going to sa mga mall. Ayan guys, mas maganda kasi kapag vaccinated ka, ang daming privilege. And for me kasi, I am really confident na pag vaccinated ka talaga, marami yung chances mo para maka-avail ka ng mga goods or services. Tapos, kung may risk man na magkaroon ako ng COVID, hindi katulad ng mga iba na nagiging severe or nagiging critical. Kung magkakaroon man ako ng COVID, magiging mild lang or asymptomatic. Pero, syempre, ayoko naman na magkaroon ng COVID because, syempre, mahirap magkasakit and ayoko namang maapektuhan ang family ko. Lalong-lalo na meron akong senior na kasama and mga bata na kasama. So, yes guys, I really encourage you to boost your immune system by, ito na yung pinaka-cheapest, pinakamura talaga siya. Abot kaya, parang almost piso per day. So, syempre, ang mura nito, wala na talagang imumura pa ng iba itong vitamin C because I think this is really the cheapest in the market. I think yes, cheapest of the cheapest na vitamin C na branded pa. O diba? Saan ka pa? Branded na very cheap at 70 to 80 centavos per tablet. And pwede mo siyang gawing twice a day. Syempre kahit na twice a day, parang 1 peso 60 centavos lang ang gagastusin mo. So, napakamura talaga niya and hindi ka magsisisi sa pagbili mo ng isang box. Maubos mo pa siya in 1 to 2 months sa isang box lang na to because it contains 100 tablets. Or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 months mo siya mauubos. So once again guys, let's boost our immune system by taking vitamin C, such as taking 1 tablet a day or 1 to 2 tablets a day, especially sa mga katulad nating frontliners, medical man, economic frontliners man, security frontliners, technological frontliners, and food frontliners, transportation frontliners, and all frontliners around our community. So, always keep safe guys, strengthen our immune system, and magpa-vaccine. So, wag maging pasaway guys. Kung may question lang kayo, mag-comment down below and magre-respond ako as soon as I am available. So, thank you and have a wonderful day.